So guys, welcome now. On our USD JPY would want to be predicting where our price would be moving for the week. Now, as you can see, we were actually bullish on our USD JPY. By the way, we've been bullish, and now we've actually been seeing a pullback. As you can see, a bullish move. That is, we are analyzing from our daily time frame. Now a retracement on our bullish move on USD JPY, and we can see our price breaks below our previous higher highs, giving us a retracement. So we would want to be seeing our retracement fall back to about 133.513. We are currently at 135. We would want our price to get to our 133 before we actually can think of going bullish again on our USD JPY. That is exactly what we think. So before we actually start thinking of taking our trade higher or above, let's see a drop, a fall back to this our area here we are waiting for, which is about 133 as our retracement area. Then possibly we can start thinking of going bullish on our USD to our JPY, or a continuous fall to take out this our lowest area here. Then we can possibly think of going bullish on our USD JPY. So there are two ways we will be looking for a fall before we actually consider going bullish. One, this area here. Two, this our area here, which is about 131. So we are aiming for 133 or 131 for our USD to drop before we actually start going bullish. One thing I know for the week is that this week our USD, which is our DXY, will be falling. And now our JPY, if you are to analyze it on your index, you will see our JPY2 would also be falling. So there's two pairs about going bearish. We just don't know which one will fall the most. That is why I said, first of all, we'll be having a fall to our 133, and before we can consider going bullish, taking our price up, hitting this target, giving us like a double top, or we'll continue see a fall to take out this our low here before we can continue going bullish. That is for the week. That is why I said we are actually going to be falling on our USD JPY. Then possibly we can continue see a fall. So we can see it on our 4-hour time frame. See here we are aiming for a fall on our USD JPY, because, and another reason is that our price is below our 10-period moving average. So it's still a legitimate sell position. We are still on a sell for the week. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.